Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices. Now tap on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then select Open. From this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, then allow. Now do exactly the same on the other smartphone. And now you can finally select Receive on Xiaomi and Send on an Android. After that, click on all of those dots and just Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long time though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one. Like this photo. Just send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Xiaomi, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and click on Receive. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!